We have to stop and look at the beauty that we have here. Seeing the birds out, seeing the sun come up in the morning, the long shadows that are created, the fog or the steam coming off the lakes. And sometimes you can get just so task-driven that you don't take that in and understand that this is your office, this is where you get to come to work, and you're a pretty blessed individual to be able to experience some of these things that people never get a chance to see.
We're on the Players Stadium at TPC Sawgrass, home of the Players and home of the PGA Tour.
It's the PGA Tour's top event. Out of all the top events, it's the only event that everyone had to play their way into.
It's comparable to any other big tournament you can find. The volunteer group is enormous. Just the amount of eyes on the course is much higher than anything else I've experienced.
This is the first time 14 or 15 years that we've hosted the tournament in March.
This is something that's new that we have to have very, very good. We don't get a second chance at the first time back in March, so we want it to be exceptional.
We closed down on November 1st to oversee the entire stadium property. That included roughs, tees, fairways, greens, wall-to-wall overseed.
With ryegrass and a fine fescue blend. And it's just aesthetically, it's very pleasing to look at.
It's going to play differently. It's going to have a different look to it. It's going to essentially be a whole new golf course.
Took a lot of man hours, a lot of work. It's been a really exciting couple of months for us here.
Top to bottom, you can't find a better equipment provider than John Deere.
We have a fantastic partnership and friendship with John Deere and our local distributor, Beard Equipment.
John Deere relationship with the PGA Tour is huge. It's been awesome to work with them.
I mean, I'd put it up against any piece of equipment on the market today.
We are very fortunate to have a large fleet of equipment from John Deere. Their equipment is world class. They get us through every challenge that we face throughout the year.
The A units are a little more technical, and overall they're just good, solid, well-rounded machines.
We love the versatility that the mowers give us. We have a lot of different mowing heights out here, a lot of different terrain to mow. What we're able to achieve with John Deere is great mowing conditions, great quality of cut across all of those different surfaces.
The operators cannot mess with the speeds, they can't mess with the rate of control, all those things. That's set by my guys in the shop.
When the guys lift up to make a turn, the set speed that's on those mowers is really nice, especially when we're working with the cool season grass now, a little bit more delicate, so we have to be more careful with that. And we can really dial in and get very precise, making sure consistency across our entire fleet is maintained with the parameters that we're able to set with these units.
But at the end of the day, we want this to be fun. It needs to be passionate. We need to be passionate about trying to be better. But at the same token, we can't be better all at once. So we have to be understanding that it's a process, just like growing something.